So you've treated yourself to some flowers. They've been delivered, but how are you going to look after them? Watch on and I'll show my 3 easy steps for unboxing your own flowers, and then watch on to the end and I'll show you a really quick and easy way to arrange them too. You'll need a really clean vase and fill it about 1/4 full of water. Add your flower food next. This might be a powder or liquid, just be careful. If you think it needs it, give it a swirl. I'm using the end of a wooden spoon. Your water will be cloudy at first, but your flower food will quickly dissolve. Beautiful delphiniums. Each stem needs to be recut at an angle so it stands on tiptoes at the bottom of your vase. That way it'll be able to take up water. Snapdragons next, exactly the same thing. Cut it on the diagonal and take off any greenery that might be inside your vase. Roses next, such a classic. Recut the stems at an angle, take off any leaves that might be in your water. They'll rot, and that's what makes your water really stinky. This greenery is called pistache. It's quite a woody stem. Make sure your scissors are up to it. And if you're using your kitchen scissors, you may need to swap out to a pair of sturdy secateurs. And the beautiful wax flower starts off with tiny little buds, opens up as pink flowers and matures to a lovely white daisy-shaped flower. This has got a woody stem too. Same thing applies. Sturdy scissors or your secateurs. And repeat until all your stems are in water. They start off quite dry. Look at the difference when you've recut the stem. I've got 3 irises at the bottom of my box, just starting to show some colour. Exactly the same thing. Recut the stem ends. 1, 2, 3. Next thing to do is to get rid of the rubbish. I put mine on the compost heap, remembering though to save your scissors. I'm filming this video as part of the Sunday Funday challenge, which is being hosted by Yanni and Diane from Deco Easy and the Crafting Cousins. I'll leave a link to both their channels in the show notes underneath this video. The easiest way to arrange flowers is to think about things in 3s. 1, 2, 3. So when you prepared your flowers originally, you used a really clean vase with fresh water. You added flower food and then you recut your stem ends so they could drink. And the same number of things applies when you arrange flowers. Thinking in 3s, this time making lots and lots of interconnecting triangles. So I'm going to start off with my greenery first of all. 1, 2, 3, making a triangle shape. And I'm going to come in with my roses, going in between the first 2 points of my triangle to create another triangle. 1, 2, 3. You can see the green triangle there. And then just keep repeating the pattern. Now things go slightly astray when you've only got 2 stems. I've only got 2 stems of the wax flower. I'm going to do 1 to one side and 1 across to the other. Blue delphinium next. 3 of those. I'm going to go between my roses. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have to be exact. I've then got 3 of these beautiful snapdragons, exactly the same thing. Make a triangle. 1, 2, 3. My last flowers are these irises, only just beginning to show the tiniest of colour. They're not going to last very long. They'll open very quickly and then die very quickly. So in a couple of days, when I refresh the water for this vase of flowers, I'll probably have to throw these away. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm left with one piece of greenery, so I might cut that a little bit shorter and put that into the middle of my arrangement. And there you have it, a really simple arrangement of flowers, counting to 1, 2, 3. If you fancy showing off your flower arranging skills, you ought to join my free Facebook group, Flowers Start World. I'll leave a link to it in the show notes underneath the video. Don't forget to check out the playlist for the other contributors to this month's Sunday challenge. I'll leave a link to it in the show notes underneath the video. And before I go, let me know in the comments which was your favourite flower, the snapdragons, the lovely rose, the wax flower, or this beautiful delphinium. That's all for me for now, and I'll see you next time.